Hello and welcome to the personal property tour for 3 Rumdewan Crescent, Kettlebridge. This is a well presented, spacious 1-bedroom bungalow. So if you're looking for that 1-level living, then this property is perfect for you because it's moving condition, ready to go, generous sized rooms, ample storage throughout as well. Step into the rear, you have a private enclosed garden, plus you've got the potential for off-street parking, all while being situated in the idyllic village of Kettlebridge, tucked the end of a quiet cul-de-sac. I'm sure you can hear the birds in the background, so it really is the perfect location while getting that 1-level living. So let me take you on the tour, show you everything that this property has to offer, and as always, keep listening until the end for how to get further details. So this is your property here, number 3. Straight away you can see when I say well presented, because it is a lovely bungalow. You've got your later lawn at the front, you've got that gorgeous colour fence as well with those beautiful touch of colour with the flowers. So it really is well presented, as I say, tucked away at the end of a quiet cul-de-sac. Still hear the birds going on in the background. We've got a beautiful day to showcase this property as well. Now to the side you do get access to the garden at the rear, and as I say, potential for off-street parking, but it's such a prime position, this bungalow. And look at that for an entrance, isn't it just lovely? So let's head through the fence and we'll enter the property. So you have just an entrance vestibule here, and then we head into your living room. So generous size rooms, as I say. You can see that light's beaming in this afternoon. It's just about 2 o'clock, and as I say, we are in a sun trap here. But this is your generous sized living room. You have your feature fireplace and surround, but you've got plenty of space in this room for all of your living room furniture, and possibly even a breakfasting table if you wish. But look at that big window letting all that natural light flood in. Coming off the living room, we come into your, again, a generous sized double bedroom. So plenty of space for your bedroom furniture. Again, lovely big window letting all the light in. And when I say you're spoilt for storage, so you have hanging storage in these 2 cupboard doors here, and then just at the end there on the left is a shelved storage. So ample storage in your bedroom, and that theme continues throughout the property. So if we head through here, just in this cupboard here is further storage cupboard. So hopefully you're thinking that you'll be able to fill all of your things into this property, because then stepping into your kitchen space, you have further storage here, or a pantry cupboard as well. You have obviously your kitchen cabinets and worktop space, and plenty of spaces for your appliances as well. And then you just have an outlook into your garden, which we are heading out to in just a second. And then on our left we have a further storage cupboard or pantry, so plenty of space for all your belongings. Then coming back round, we head into your shower room. So a lovely and bright shower room. So you have your WC wash hand basin, and then your electric enclosed shower. So that is your shower room. And then let's head out into the garden. And look at that, we are in a sun trap. Perfect day to really showcase this property, because look at that. As I say, it's just the back of 2, and the sun is right in your garden at the rear. Lovely and private as well. So you've got your area here for outdoor seating. You've got your later lawn, quite a low maintenance garden as well. You've got all of this paved area, and then don't forget I said you do get access just round the front, just down there, to obviously get to the front of your property, and then that's just the rear of your property. But look at this, it's just perfect. You can just imagine sitting here right about now, sun's beaming down, birds in the background. It is just so peaceful. So let's recap number 3. That was the personal property tour for 3 Rumdewan Crescent in Kettlebridge. So as you've just seen for yourself, well presented, moving condition, ready to go. Perfect if you're looking for that 1-level living, because you're getting those generous size room, ample storage, potential for off-street parking, Then stepping out to the rear, you've got this private enclosed garden while being in the idyllic village of Kettlebridge. It's such a peaceful location. I'm sure you can hear the birds in the background while still having your amenities close by as well, because you can take just a short drive to Ladybank where there's the shop, the butchers. You also have Ladybank train station. You can also just take a short drive back into Cooper where there's further shops, bakers, butchers, doctors, dentists, and also the Cooper train station. So you have loads of amenities close by while getting the perfect one-level living property. So if you'd like to get further details, you can message me directly. You can call the team on 01334 654 221. Sophie at 5 Properties TV. Take care.